Meet Tim, a new technician with data center. Tim came from another data center where he relied on outdated tools and paper-based systems for tracking and reporting when doing rounds. He was often challenged with detecting anomalies like unusual temperatures, equipment malfunctions, or warning signals in a timely manner, having to manually log data, observations, and incidents, which was time-consuming and subject to human error, not to mention managing large, intricate facilities with numerous systems, devices, and areas to monitor. It was extremely overwhelming for him. This resulted in a risk of delayed detection, leading to equipment failure, downtime, or even safety hazards. Incomplete or incorrect records hindering troubleshooting, compliance, and trend analysis, as well as missed checkpoints or overlooked equipment compromising operational integrity and maintenance schedules. Because data center uses MCIM, his rounds are completed more efficiently. Let's see how much easier doing rounds is for Tim using MCIM. It is important to note that while you'll see how Tim enters readings through a tablet, that the MCIM solution can also ingest readings directly from a BMS and other supplemental monitoring systems. Furthermore, MCIM supports offline data capture for up to 3 hours in the event that internet is not accessible at any point during rounds. Tim opens the MCIM Rounds module on his tablet where he can choose from data center's defined rounds templates. As displayed, MCIM can accommodate data center's variety of rounds in whatever frequency, grouping, or description required. In this case, Tim resumes his daily rounds. Here, they are presented to him in order of the typical rounds walking path, with added functionality to sort by area or hide the rounds he has completed, bringing to view only assets still needing his attention. Furthermore, he can document all the yes/no qualitative responses with one click using the Express option. This ensures Tim can manage rounds at a large and complex data center in an efficient manner. Let's take a look at this first air handler. Here, Tim is presented with known details about the asset, with the ability to edit if something doesn't match, or to add to it on the fly if this was a case where the serial number was unavailable or unknown at the time the asset was originally entered into the system. He is also able to see upcoming work efforts, which may impact how he comments on an asset if an anomaly is detected, knowing that the vendor is scheduled to perform some work in the coming days or weeks. Another feature worth mentioning is the ability to skip readings in the event of redundant assets being in the rounds list that are offline, as may be the case with the remaining 3 air handlers listed in the rounds. He moves on to Cooling Tower 1A. With guidelines alerting him if his input is out of spec, MCIM Rounds module ensures the collection of clean and accurate data, all while applying automation behind the scenes to auto-generate an email, work order, incident, risk, or any combination thereof if something is indeed out of spec. In this example, if he documents something out of spec, he is forced to make a comment. However, he is free to make a comment as needed on any normal readings as well. All in all, this streamlines the detection of anomalies and actions that must take place as a result. The MCIM Rounds module goes beyond traditional inspections. It's a comprehensive solution for proactive risk management, operational excellence, and building resilience. With MCIM, your team is equipped with the tools they need to ensure safety, compliance, and efficiency at every step.